Hello, I'm Livia Mateias. I'm a visual artist from Timișoara, and I like to work with cosmic related themes into my art. I am really interested in cosmology and other things related to our nature and our space into the universe. For me, our nature is a really important topic. I am really preoccupied with human nature and cosmic nature in general. I like to play with themes like inner space and outer space, and it felt like really natural to be in this residence with this topic. It was like really natural for me. I wouldn't like to name a particular event. For me, the whole experience was like an integrated experience, and it was really amazing to be here and to meet all these people and all these science labs and researchers, which really inspired me a lot. I think for me, art equals love, and I would say science equals searching. Passion is the common ground between them. I think art it's related to feelings, and science is more related to facts. I think if you mixed feeling with facts, you get pretty amazing things. I think my opinion about scientists was a little bit changed during this experience, because I always thought that scientists are more like somehow unreachable in a way, and I discovered that they are really friendly and open, and they really like to connect with other peoples from other um, with other backgrounds, and they are really curious about art. So yeah. One of them was right at the beginning of this experience, when I met you guys and the other artists, and I get to know this amazing place we were living in, and it was really a great surprise to be here with you all. The other, I would say, it was visiting Sisa. It was quite unexpected to have that speed dating with scientists, in which we get to know in a really short period of time so many scientists from different fields. And the third one would be the visit at the cave, which was really nice, and well, the nature there was really overwhelming and beautiful. So yeah, this would be the three. I would think about Ricardo Murgia, with whom I had a nice conversation, and I was visiting his office at CISA, and we were talking about cosmology and other interesting things. And the other, I would name Nicoleta Zar, which with a simple question, somehow she sparked an idea into my mind, how I could create my artwork in this. She only asked if I worked with optical art before, and it was then when I realized that I should make something related to optical art to present my artwork. Well, dark matter and dark energy probably are the greatest mystery of the cosmos right now. Well, my work it's called Matter Between Us, and it is focused on one question: what is real, and it speaks about the space between us and the space which we cannot see, but we somehow interact and influence it in a way. The fact that we only know 4.9% of the matter in the universe, it's really amazing, and I keep asking myself what is all that's left, and we cannot see. So this is a really huge amount of matter, which is a mystery. Well, friends, of course, are really important and really meaningful connections. But also an interesting idea which sparked me in a conversation with Ricardo was that we emit light, and I really want to dig more into this, and I will probably create an artwork based on this theme in the future. Well, I would have a message for artists and scientists, both. And my message would be to keep connecting art and science and to keep relating between each other, because when art meets science, pretty amazing things could happen. So, yeah, they should collaborate more.